Hi everybody, so in this video we will learn how to set up an account on WazirX platform and do your KYC. So we click on the sign up tab and let's start by submitting our registration details. So I'll input my email and then I'll choose a unique password for myself. Make sure it's a unique one and confirm the password again. And in case you have a referral code, you can input it here and then click on the checkbox. I agree to WazirX terms of service and click on the tab further. So now it says check your inbox for a verification mail. So you need to check your mailbox where there will be a verification mail sent from WazirX. And you need to open that mail and click on this tab. So your email has been verified successfully. Now you can click on continue. So these are the security measures for your account. There are a couple of them. One is the Authenticator app, the other is the mobile SMS. So Authenticator app, for which you have to download a Google Authenticator or Authy and scan this code, and you can set it up further. But we will show you here how to set it up via mobile SMS. So register your phone. You need to input your mobile number on which an OTP would be sent. So I'm entering mine here. Click on send OTP. So the OTP is been sent successfully and you now need to input the OTP. Click on next. So that security settings have been updated. And the two-factor authentication is set to mobile SMS. Now choose your country. So mine is India. I click on India. Now we set up and complete our KYC. So you can see all these tabs here and so we just need to input our information. So there are two kinds of KYC there, the personal and company. So mine is personal. So now I again input my details. So that's a date of birth you need to put into this tab. I'll input my address here. Make sure the address is the same as on the ID document which you will submit it further. Now I'll enter my PAN card number. I re-enter my PAN number here and then I need to capture the PAN card. So make sure you have your PAN card handy with you. Click on capture here and now make sure you read all these mandatory conditions so that you don't make errors while capturing this ID of yours. So just like this, you keep your PAN card closer and within the box and then you can capture it and click on continue. So you can support, there are 3 documents you can choose from: the Aadhaar, passport and driving license. So I have an Aadhaar card, so I'll go for the Aadhaar. I'll enter my Aadhaar number. I'll re-enter my Aadhaar number. And now I will capture the front of the Aadhaar card. Again, these mandatory conditions so that you don't make any errors. So just like this, you capture the front side of the Aadhaar card and click on continue. And now you need to update the back side of the Aadhaar card. So again, click on capture it. So on some of the Aadhaar cards, there will be a barcode at the back. So in case you have it on the front, don't worry about it. You can click on continue, but make sure it's clearly visible, right? Now click your selfie here. Make sure the lighting is good and your face is directly looking into the webcam. Now capture it. And I think all the details we've entered are correct. And now we click on submit for verification. So here you can see that the KYC details have been received, and usually it happens quite quickly, but in some cases it might take 2 to 3 business days. Right. So my KYC details have just got approved from the WazirX, and my WazirX account is approved, so I can go ahead and start trading. So that's about it. So this was as easy, as you can think, and this is how you can set up your account on WazirX platform and do your KYC.